This video comes at the request of a bunch of people on Facebook that wanted to know in the HighLevel CRM world how you find your Facebook pixel. So you can use it over in the HighLevel CRM. Now, for those of you that don't know, HighLevel CRM is a CRM mainly created for agencies to resell. We call ours Playmakers. And if you have any other questions about this, please check my video playlist or text the office here at 405-217-4752 and we'll help you out. I did a video earlier on basically how to set up CAPI events or API events or server-side events for Facebook, but I didn't go into the detail of how you get the information for the HighLevel CRM to use that information. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. Make sure if it's helpful, obviously please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and if it wasn't helpful, leave me a comment and I'll fix it. Okay, what you're seeing on your screen right here is inside of HighLevel. When you're building a funnel or building a website, you can basically set it up so it sends what's known as server-side events or API events over to Facebook. And for those of you who've done any kind of Facebook advertising, you'll recognize this screen right here. This is my data source for the audiences that I build in Facebook. This is also known as your pixel. And we've had this around for years, except for with the doom and gloom around pixels and cookies and things like that. It's been said that we had to get better at using server-side events, so that's what we're going to talk about here. Fortunately, our CRM has a place for that here called Add Event. And again, I'm in Sites and Funnels, and I believe it's over in Sites and Websites also. Yeah, you have this little tab under here under your name called Events, and that's where you add your Facebook, what's known as server-side event. So when you go to here to click Add Event, you get prompted to enter in your pixel ID, the web pages or website you want to fire the event for, the only event you get down here right now. So I'm going to do it at the website level, and all you need to do this is fill in the pixel ID and the access token. The access token really trips people up. It's very buried in there, and you got to go find it. So we're going to talk about that today on this video. So back over here on my actual pixel information, the first thing I can grab is my pixel ID. That one is right here, dataset ID. You can click and copy that to clipboard. You can come over here and put it in your funnel. However, I would also suggest before you do this, you hop over and create a custom value for this. Let's see, did I do that? Did I do that yet? I don't think I did. Maybe I did. Facebook. Oh yeah, there we go. So I've already got values here for this. So for example, if I click on edit custom value, there's nothing there. Oh, I can fill it in. So Facebook pixel access token. Pixel ID. Let's do the pixel ID first. And by the way, you can't use this in a lot of places, but it helps to, this is almost like a bookmarking. You're almost like saving this so you have a quick place to grab it. So creating the custom values for this inside of HighLevel. So we'll do the pixel ID first. And that's saved, so we have that available, and that way we can get it in the future, and we don't have to go over to Facebook to get it, okay? But let's hop back over here to our funnel. Where were we? Oh, over here. So let's hop back over to our funnel, and we're going to do this one for marketing agency theme template. Add event. I'm going to put in the pixel ID there for now, and then I need the access token. So here's the magic trick. Over here, to get your access token out of Facebook, go to your pixel page here. You've already got the dataset ID, right? Go to settings here and scroll down, not too fast, but scroll down, and you'll find, you know what, let me show you what it looks like to begin with. I already clicked on it, so it's already exposed. When you have your pixel ID here and you're back on your settings tab, if you scroll down here, you'll miss it if you're not careful. You're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and you're looking for this, and you can't find it. It's right here under Setup Direct Integration, okay? Generate Access Token, okay? You got to be careful because it's not at the top, and the link is kind of embedded in there, and so if you're not paying close attention, you might scroll right by it. So click on Generate Access Token. You're going to get this big key API looking thing. I'm going to copy that to a clipboard, and that's so your app, HighLevel or Lead Connector, or in our case, Playmakers, can talk back over to Facebook. So come over here. I'm going to put the access token here, okay? And what this means is for this pixel ID, for every page on this website, you're going to send the event for a page view. There are other Facebook events besides page view. Right now, your only choice here is to really do it on page view in this particular dialog, okay? So real quick also, let's go over and save that in our custom value just so we have it. And then we're going to take a look at one more thing here real quick. There's the access token. Let's store it in there also. Edit that custom value, put that access token in there so we have it for later usage. Now there's one other place that you can use this access token and this pixel ID. And we're going to open up another tab here, hop back into my training instance. Inside of an automation, you can also trigger Facebook events, and there's more flexibility here. We're going to go down, we're going to just we'll pick this workflow right here. So let's say for some reason this workflow was triggered based on a form submission, right? We will say form submitted. We will just pick one of our forms that I have, one of my test forms I have here. Here we go. We will do that. And then from there, what you can do is now you can do Facebook Conversion API when you're inside the workflow builder. Conversion API. You need some of that same information you had before. So got to have the access token. Ooh, can I actually use that now? Yes. Ah, look at that. This is why we did it. I remember now. This is why we did it. Facebook Pixel. Here we go. Facebook access token. There we go. Facebook access token and pixel ID. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Facebook, come on, don't be a pain in the butt. Facebook pixel ID. I've got to go down to custom values and pixel. Come on, quit making me look like a fool here. Pixel. Oh, how about Facebook? Really? Pixel ID. Okay. So good, we can use variables there. My Facebook event name, this is where you get more flexibility. Before, all we had was the page view in the other dialog, but now you can do all kinds of cool things here, like subscribes, start trials, which would be coming very handy if you're a high-level person, purchases, page views, leads. These are all really good ones to use. And what's really good to use these for sometimes is like the intermediate steps inside of a funnel. For the value, you can always hard code a number here, or I believe you can use a variable. If you have a purchase here, that order amount should be available. But let's just hard code this to $100 here. And we're not going to use this test code right now. We're not going to use custom mapping. We're just going to save this and save this real quick. And then I believe what you can do, let's go ahead and publish this. I believe what we can do also is we can get some more information if we have an order. So if we say an order is submitted, can I then, over in the Facebook conversion ID, can I then use that order amount? Ooh, look, I can. Pretty stuff. We don't ever want to hard code stuff. We want to use variables when possible. So order total right there. So we've got our Facebook access token, we've got our Facebook pixel ID, and we've got our order total price right there. Here at the top, I'm using just the native integration from HighLevels to Facebook. If I was using Ad Manager, which I have personally never used, I could use that second option right there. So if this has been useful, do me a favor, drop a like and a subscribe. That's your social currency right there. I think you're morally obligated to do it. If you have any questions about this, though, please let me know so I can give me ideas for future videos and for live streams. As always, thank you for watching. It's been Patrick Allman with Playmakers.